So Google just pulled the rug out from under Pixel fans, not even a warning, just poof, gone. One of the most anticipated fan events of the year was canceled out of nowhere. And it's not just the timing that's weird, it's what it might be hiding that has everyone buzzing. Because here's the thing, this wasn't just any fan event. This was supposed to be a secret hands-on look at the Pixel 10 before anyone else. And now, that sneak peek is off the table. Which begs the question, is something wrong with the Pixel 10? Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're into smart tech, spicy leaks, and updates that drop jaws, go ahead and like the video, hit subscribe, and share it with your fellow Pixel nerds. Alright, so let's rewind for a second. Google had this ultra-exclusive Pixel Penthouse event lined up for late June. Invitations were already out, flights booked, fans buzzing. The event was supposed to be a behind-closed-doors experience just for Pixel superfans, the kind of thing that builds real hype. And then, bam! Google quietly sends out cancellation emails. No countdown, no delay, just unforeseen circumstances. And instead of the June event, they're now inviting fans to a different one on September 4th. Wait, hold up. That's after the Pixel 10 is expected to launch. So instead of an early access VIP moment, this new event is more like a post-party hangout. Still fun, but not quite the same magic. And let's be real, the timing is sus. The Pixel 10 is heavily rumored to drop on August 20, which makes the September event feel like damage control instead of a launch tease. So, what happened? Did Google just panic? Is there something wrong with the device? Some say the venue fell through. Others believe the phones just weren't ready to show. But here's where it gets juicier. Some insiders whisper that the delay isn't about logistics, it's about strategy. Google might be tweaking features last minute to match what Apple and Samsung are cooking up. And that could actually be a good thing. Because if you thought this was just another recycled Pixel with a new paint job, think again. The Pixel 10 series is packing some serious heat, starting with the Tensor G5 chip. This isn't Samsung made anymore. It's reportedly built by TSMC, and that means big improvements in heat management, performance, and battery life. We could be looking at a Pixel that finally doesn't choke under pressure. And the camera. Oh, it's getting wild. Gimbal level stabilization is on the cards, like actual buttery smooth video even if you're sprinting. Low light performance is also expected to get a major upgrade, making night shots look way less like a grainy horror movie. And that's not all, AI is taking over everything. Think real-time object removal in videos, smarter auto-cropping, and instant scene enhancements powered by Google's Gemini model. Editing on your phone is about to feel like using a desktop suit. But here's the curveball, magnets. Yep, Google's finally doing it. The Pixel 10 is expected to bring in G2 magnetic wireless charging similar to Apple's MagSafe. Say hello to Pixel Snap accessories. We're talking magnetic charger stands, and even a ring stand to prop up your phone. Dock it and boom. Your Pixel turns into a smart hub with ambient display, calendar, widgets, the works. It's Google's twist on Apple's standby mode, and it might just one-up it. And if you think wireless charging is slow and boring, brace yourself. A new chip, CPS41, might crank charging speeds up to 60 watts. That's no joke. If true, this would make Pixel 10 one of the fastest wireless charging phones ever. Oh, and for the color lovers out there, Google's back with their quirky names. Black is now Rock Candy, and the light finish is reportedly called Light Porcelain. Classic Google. Rename old colors, act like it's revolutionary. But here's what's not coming: a Pixel tablet. Despite wishful thinking, no solid leaks point to a new one dropping this year. However, Pixel Watch 4, totally happening. Expect 2 sizes again and some tighter integration with the Pixel ecosystem. Google's trying to build its own Apple-style walled garden, but one that still lets you escape. So yeah, while that canceled June event left a sour taste, it's not a disaster. In fact, it could mean Google's making bold last-minute moves to get this right. The stakes are high. With Apple going all in on AI and Samsung stacking up powerful flagships, the Pixel 10 can't afford to fumble. Every launch detail matters, every leak sends ripples, and every delay gets fans asking, is Google stalling or perfecting? That's what makes this so exciting. Underneath all the shuffled dates and canceled invites, something bigger might be brewing. Google's playing a longer game with the Pixel 10, and if the leaks are true, we're in for one of the most ambitious Pixels ever. But now I'm curious, what's your take? Is this just classic Google chaos? Or are they hiding a surprise drop that'll shake up the entire Android world? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, if you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more bite-sized tech scoops, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!